Hello everyone, this is Fred with USA Measurements, and today I'm going to show you how to calibrate your US-8011NP. NP stands for NTAP approved, legal for trade, and P stands for the built-in printer. Now before we start, you always want to make sure that you have some known weights to calibrate your scale. We recommend at least 10% of the max capacity. I have a 30-pound scale here, and normally you can get away with 3 pounds, but I'm going to calibrate with 15. So keep that in mind before we start. You do want to have some calibration weights. Now, if we take a look here, we have these arrows underneath all of the buttons. This is going to be how we navigate through the calibration procedure. So we have left, right, down, and up. So what we're going to do is press hold and print at the same time for about 1 second and then let go. If done correctly, you should see C01. We're going to hit print. Now this is going to be the mode where we can select if we want to calibrate in 1 is kilograms, 2 is pounds, 3 is ounces, and 4 is grams. So we're going to go ahead and calibrate in pounds, and we're going to press print to enter. C02 will hit print. Now this is going to be the number of decimals that you want the scale to have. So for instance, if you want to have a 1 decimal place after the 0, you would select 1. If you want 2 decimal places, 2, 3, and 4. Now with this scale, I'm going to leave it at 2, and I'm going to go ahead and press print to confirm. C03 will hit print. Now this is going to be the divisions that the scale counts in. So for instance, with 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5, 10, 15, 20, and you get the idea as we go up in value. So I'm going to leave this at 1, and I'm going to press print to confirm. C04 will hit print to confirm. Now this is going to be where we set the max capacity of the scale. And if you're not sure what the capacity is, you can check the load cells in the platform. You can also check for any markings on the scale, or if you already bought the scale, it will come pre-programmed with the set capacity. So in this case, I know this scale is 30 pounds, so I'm going to go ahead and change it to 30. And then I'm going to press print to enter. C05 will hit print. C05, we want to change this to the number 1. This is going to be our 0-point calibration, so we want to make sure nothing is on our platform and it's completely empty. Then we'll hit print. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and hit print again. C06 will hit print. And then we want to change this to the number 1 and hit print. Now this is where we're going to use our known weight to calibrate the scale. So in this case, I'm using 3 5-pound weights. And I'm going to enter in 15 pounds. Okay, and then I'm going to press print to confirm. And now I'll say cal end. From here, we can go ahead and hit the button that says accum, and this will exit the parameter settings. And now you can see that the scale is calibrated for accuracy, and we are set to go ahead and use the scale. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.